My name is Candis Hidalgo. I'm a Houston Suburbs Realtor with Real Broker, and today we are in Emory Glen in Magnolia, Texas. Right behind me is the Comal plan from Empire Communities, and there's a move-in ready of this home, this exact home right now, about $370,000. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. The wind's picking up. Let's go inside. I'm gonna walk you right into the main open living area, and you have your dining and kitchen open to one another here. 5-burner gas stove. Love me a 5-burner gas stove. And microwave built in here. Does come with the refrigerator. I love this extra bar area here for coffee or wine service. And I love the practical layout too. Right here is where the utility room is, right off the kitchen. And it wraps over through the walk-in closet to the primary bedroom, but we're gonna go around this other way. Huge single basin sink, stainless steel. And luxury vinyl plank flooring. It has a wood look. And the awesome thing about Empire Communities is that everything you see here in this home is standard. None of this is upgrade. So that $370 price point I mentioned comes with all of this. Huge, grand cathedral ceiling in the main living area. And then let's take a look here. Before I go through the rest of the home, you have a powder bath right off the entry and coat closet there. So very practical layout, and you'll see when we go up to the second story, this all opens up. And then you've got these huge picture windows on the second story as well. So just tons of natural light here in this floor plan. It's about 2,400 square feet. Here's where the staircase is, but before we go upstairs, let's go into the primary. You've got tray ceilings. This is a huge primary bedroom, plenty of room for seating over here, which they've showcased. 3 large windows bringing in all the light. I just love how wide this back wall is because you have plenty of room for nice sized side tables. Nothing feels squished. And then French doors into the beautiful master bath. Again, I had to double check with the builder sales rep about the shower. I was like, are you sure the shower isn't an upgrade? I said, no, all included. So oftentimes to get a shower like this, you have to pay an upgrade price, but this is all included. You have the tile flooring. It's kind of gray, cool gray tone throughout. Water closet there. And then French doors going into the master closet or the walk-in closet, but more linen storage there. But I'm gonna go into this walk-in closet just so you can see how big it is. And this wraps around back to the kitchen where we kind of started at the beginning. Okay, I'm gonna take you, or before I go upstairs, the lots are gonna vary depending on, the backyard is gonna vary depending on what lot you choose within the community, but I did want to show you the patio because Empire Communities here in Emory Glen have this really large covered patio, and this is also included. A lot of times you'll see just like a small little concrete pad off the back, but this is a really nice, large covered patio, and this comes standard with all their homes as well. Brick wrapped around all 4 sides of the home. Okay, you can also see a peekaboo to the loft from here as well, but let's go on up. Tray ceilings in here as well. Big beefy armchairs, so really generous size loft. big windows bringing in natural light. So yes, here's the overlook to the entryway, which needs a very dramatic chandelier, just like the other home I toured, and the overlook to the main living area. Let's go and look at all of the 3 bedrooms up here and the layout of each. This one's a really nice size. Let's take a look at the closet size for you. Big closet with a window bringing in more light. And then you have a full bathroom here. Dual vanity. Kind of these oversized subway tiling in the shower. And then linen storage here with built-in shelving. Go across to the other side, the other wing, if you will. You have 2 additional bedrooms over here. So 3 very spacious bedrooms upstairs with the loft. With that first bedroom up here being the most spacious of the 3, but these are both very spacious as well, I would say. Definitely plenty of room for a queen bed. Let's take a look at the closet size. Ooh, deeper than I expected. Looks great. So really spacious. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, $370-ish thousand. And depending on when you watch this video, just ask me about the current promotions the builder's having, because sometimes they do like interest rate promo or just off the price of the home or covering closing costs. So definitely reach out to me. If you're interested in this plan, I can let you know what the current incentives are. And then stay tuned. I'll tell you a little bit more about Emory Glen. I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough tour of the Comal floor plan by Empire here in Emory Glen. From open green space and walking trails to the sparkling pool to a fun play park for the kids to the awesome alcove pavilion with lounging chairs, picnic tables, cornhole, and frequent community events to get connected with neighbors, Emory Glen is the perfect balance between quiet, peaceful living and modern conveniences. Now, they do build this floor plan in other communities around the Houston suburbs. So whether you are interested in Emory Glen or in Empire or in floor plan in particular, either one is fine. Let me know. And remember, I do these videos for you. So if you have any questions at all, I want you to feel comfortable reaching out to me. And if you are planning to buy a new construction home here in the Houston suburbs, whether you're building from scratch or interested in buying an inventory home, please do watch this video next, because I go over the common mistakes people make when buying a new construction home, and you don't want to make those mistakes. Until the next video, have a great day. Bye-bye.